Controlling Chamberlain doors and gates without depending on MyQ by modifying a remote with a ZigBee relay switch. Note, if you have a wired panel switch, modifying a remote is not necessary since the ZigBee relay can be wired directly to the controller in parallel with the panel. This is the remote from my Chamberlain gate controller. Remove the top of the remote as though you intend to replace the battery. The object in the red circle is the momentary switch that opens, closes, or stops the gate. The objects in the blue circles are the releases that allow you to remove the circuit board from the plastic housing. Remove the circuit board. Flip the board over to see the switch circled in red here. The top contacts are connected to each other on the board. The bottom left contact is not connected to anything. I validated this by shorting the top contact to the bottom right contact and observe the gate opening. This means that two wires connected to these 2 points and connected to a ZigBee relay could control the gate without MyQ. I used AWG 22 solid wire. Remember to remove the battery before soldering to the board. The following video is a running prototype, an old Samsung tablet that cannot run SmartThings or Alexa is my door panel created with action tiles which displays in a browser. As you can see, I've wired the gate remote to a ZigBee relay. The ZigBee relay is powered by USB. Also in the video is this old Samsung tablet which I use as a door panel. I've added 3 new tiles. There's a green one called Gate Remote, a blue sensor that measures activity, and a red sensor that indicates open-close status. When I activate the button on the panel, you'll see the light come on the relay. And it's also momentary, just the way a remote would normally be activated with your fingers.
The gate just opened.
So now the gate status is open. Alexa, turn on gate remote.
Okay.
The gate is active again. And just closed. As I mentioned,
The gate just closed.
none of this could be done on this tablet except for the fact that I'm using action tiles. But the important thing is that I've completely bypassed MyQ by taking this approach. So when Chamberlain makes changes to their cloud-based software, I'm no longer going to be affected.